People often ask us, who buys Baker Boy's products? It's actually pretty simple. Baker Boy is a B2B food manufacturer. That means while you may not see our name on many store shelves, there's still a good chance you've had a Baker Boy product. Primarily, we sell our products to food service and retail distributors. From there, the distributor will sell Baker Boy products to customers like restaurants, supermarkets, convenience stores, and schools. So if you're having a cheeseburger at your favorite restaurant, picking up a donut at your local supermarket, or chowing down on a healthy lunch at your school, there's a good chance you're having a Baker Boy product. If you run a business and you'd like to talk to someone about buying Baker Boy products, we've got you covered. We have a team of sales managers in major cities throughout the upper Midwest. Visit bakerboy.com to learn more about which distributors and brokers we work with so you can bring Baker Boy products to your customers.